My name is Tiffany Leslie, and I'm a part of Group 4 in EDU 520, Digitally Mediated Teaching and Learning. This presentation is going to cover what is digital literacy and why it is important. So digital literacy is defined as the ability to use information and communication technologies to find, evaluate, create, and communicate information requiring both cognitive and technical skills. Digital literacy skills has become very important in the digital age in which we live. Due to the recent COVID-19 outbreak, students and teachers have had to expand their digital literacy horizons to various social media platforms, and many of them before the COVID-19 outbreak just really did not know much about digital literacy. Digital literacy requires certain um, certain skills to be effective. Being able to search effectively, being able to protect your right and others' private information online is another one. The third one is giving proper credit when using other people's work. Digital literacy requires understanding digital footprints and respecting each other's ideas and opinions. Regarding various social media platforms, teachers and students are experiencing a huge learning curve. Students are not really receiving the instruction via internet, but using a key source of information. Teachers are working to help students be comfortable using the internet. So this may seem overwhelming right now, but this could also be very helpful in their future, both personal and professional goals, since our society is headed into the digital technological world and things are changing on a daily basis. So even if they had some before, students and teachers are learning skills to effectively and responsibly find, evaluate, communicate, and share online content, which could be major in achieving their future careers. Why does digital literacy matter? Digital literacy matters for a number of reasons. It allows us to find and access digital content that is fit for purpose. It helps us analyze and combine information to develop our own understandings. It helps us create and share digital content in purposeful ways. It helps individuals stay engaged in society. Schools play a central and important role in building students' digital literacy skills. And it also helps students engage in reading materials. So, due to the ever changing world that we live in, technology is always changing. It is crucial that one develop digital literacy skills to be able to navigate and effectively teach and learn in online learning environments.